You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly. I know many people get confused by it. Shouldn't be. If you want to learn more pronunciation, stay tuned. The British English pronunciation is as required. Required. It's easy, right? Stress on the qui syllable. Now, in American English, in the US, it's usually pronounced as required, or required, or required, from the verb require. It's easy once you know. Can you pronounce it correctly? Let me know in the comments. But now, you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.